TP Tyler 2 is racing in third. Then followed by Run of Mine moving up on the outside. Life is Delicious and Graceful is running last. And at the far turn, Hit the Road Jack, this time by about 4 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Life is Delicious. TP Tyler 2, Dash back in third. Naughty Tatat in fourth. Graceful in fifth. And trails the field is number 2, Run of Mine. As they come down at the last 200, is still in control, and that is Hit the Road Jack by about 4 lengths. Life is Delicious is already outside second. By the bell is TP Tyler 2. Last 50 meters, it's all number 5, Hit the Road Jack. Second close between TP Tyler 2. Life is Delicious. Then comes Graceful, Run of Mine.
Alright, here comes Hit the Road Jack, trotting back to the winner's circle with quarter clockings of 12.5, 22, finishing at 24.5 for a personal best of 59 seconds over 1,000 meters.
Which is talagang kanyang best time din na sinet niya last October 26, 59 seconds. Inulit lang niya yung kanyang 59 seconds today.
Pero actually, dito sa tempo ng Karerista Index, ang time niya noong October 26 is 59.4.
Bagay, iba naman talaga ng pitik ng mga clockers.
Pero para sa